Hi guys, we are at Cebu Safari. Yes, sa registration area.
I want to go into church.
Hi guys, oh say hi.
Hi guys.
Where are we, Mer?
We're in the safari.
And we're with, who is this man?
Papa, Lola, and Dada.
Don't touch, Murmur, ha? Don't touch, ha? Just look, don't touch. Pwede pa picture tag. Pipinutin mo lang yung puti sa corner.
Left?
Oo.
Feeding ma'am, 50 lang. Bird feeding ma'am. Oo nga, bird feeding. 50 lang. Isang slice.
Magkano, kuya?
50 lang.
Kala ka, Soy? 50?
Dad, gusto mo siya pagkakas?
Gusto mo bird feeding? You want to feed the bird, Mer?
Ano ba? This one, bebe. I-access lang sir. Access lang sir.
Yeah, you will feed. Wow! Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Access sir.
Hindi. Ayun, meron din naman nasa head ko.
Access lang sir.
Hold the stick.
Okay, it's okay.
Hold the stick, Mar. Dito ka sa harap. Dito ka sa harap niya. Hold the stick, Mar. Halo ko.
Wow, they're feeding, oh.
Mar,
Malaglag ka. Mer, malaglag ka.
I'm scared.
Mamaya na tayo, May.
may kiliti ako dyan.
Hey! Great!
Gaganito lang.
Dito ka, harap lang. Hi! Anong tawag sa kanila, kuya?
Lawrence ma'am.
Tara naman, tara. Anak. Wala na bird.
Hi!
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Bye-bye, bird.
Bite ka na.
Mer, nandito yung bird sa arm ko.
Galing ni Mami.
Oh, look, Mar, oh. I have a bird on my head.
Pang ni Mami, oh.
On my head, yeah. Eh, hindi namin
Hi!
Ilakad sir.
Bye-bye, birds. Kuya, okay na tayo? Thank you. Ay, ito na yung sasakay ng ano. Masai Mara. Masai Mara experience. So, sasakay tayo ng caged van. Usog tayo dun, baby. Kasi makikita natin ang white lion daw. Usog tayo dun para makasakay pa yung iba. You excited or scared? So, when we travel here, we're gonna see the white lion.
Alright, again, mabuhay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to White Lion Safari. Their names are Max, Jack, and Bugoy. Wow!
Balik tatlo lang, no? Tatlo lang.
Overall, 5 lions. Shooting lang.
Puro lalaki rin.
At soon, planning yung honor na
Ayun o, ang dami nila. Ayun o, nagkukumpulan sila dun. Ayoko na ulitin yan. Ginawa namin yun sa Bacolod. Muntik na akong madeds.
So for your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the track is secure. Hold on the grab bars to avoid using valuable items. And lastly, to the tread to reach out. Okay, and those are the zebras. So zebras have black skin with white stripes. Their stripes are unique, just like a fingerprint, because there are no two zebras having the same pattern. And also, they can sleep while standing with Okay, and on your left side, the one with the long horn right there is the gemsback or oryx gazelle, also known as Madame Gazelle in series of Peppa Pig. And also, they are the logo of Qatar Airways. And on your right side, those are the less bag. So recognize. Bagay sa'yo mo.
Uy! Nakatama ka naman.
Matandaan siya, no? Haba sa sinay.
Sa'yo nga, matanda.
Walking tour going to the crocodiles. Ang tanong is kung nakabarong ba yung mga crocodiles. Ha? Bakit? Stop the spread of germs. Mababa lang naman eh. Guys, sa mga nagtatanong kung nasa na ang funds for flood control project. Tada! Boom!
Nakulong na kayo rito, no? Fresh water.
Ano tawagin? Natutod.
dinosaur.
Talaba yan.
It's a dinosaur. Maliit.
Gumagawa siya ng baby. Wala, yun. Ingat-ingal ka.
Meron.
Sinili pa talaga.
Next guard is niya.
Tapos sinusubo mo yung daliri mo. Yung isa beef, yung isa pork. Itong beef.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Basta pa. Wala namang ano yung pinag-iba ko lang.
Wala, gilabay na nako. Kusan yung uha ay kusan yung uha ay
Cute! Mer.
Ay, ganyan ka.
Saan yung gusto pumunta ng Cebu, sir?
Ayun eh.
Yan nga yun. Ayun o, lemur. Lemur. Hi!
One, two, three.
Simmer. Tinakpan mo naman.